Hi, and welcome to this sales page. My name is Demetris, and I'm going to be your coach and mentor in Meelo App Empire. Basically, the story is this. 12 years ago, I tried to create an app for the App Store. I couldn't really get it to work. I didn't have the right tools back then. And then fast forward to 2025, and we've got AI helping us build anything that we want online. However, many months of me trying to figure out how I can create the easiest way, the easiest path into getting into the App Store and actually creating my first apps on there, where we know that every buyer is actually on the App Store buying apps or using free paid apps, or you probably used apps, you probably paid for apps. Well, what if you could be on this premium platform yourself in the next 12 minutes after you get inside Meelo App Empire? No, I'm not kidding you. It would take you about maybe 12 minutes to have a finished app based on an idea that you might have. And I've got everything shared inside Meelo App Empire. Basically, I take you through the steps of actually getting an idea. We actually do it together. You see the actual step-by-step process of how I was able to generate an idea into an app and then push it over into the App Store, get it approved, and start selling. And one of the apps that we have, and you can check out on this sales page, is actually built from the training that I have inside Meelo App Empire. Now, why did I create this course? Well, first of all, I wanted to find a method, an easy method to get on the App Store, or maybe even Google Play. But the problem was, after creating the app using your idea or AI helping you build it, the idea of putting it into the App Store needs a couple of things. You need to know coding, and then you need to test it, and you need to figure out how it's going to be approved by Apple, because it needs specific outputs of the code. And the same thing goes with the Google Play. Like, basically, I went through a whole lot of process trying to figure out the easiest method that we could get from idea to an app to a published form where it's going to be selling. Okay, either on the App Store or either on Google Play. It's up to you. But the thing is that this works. And the fact is that I put a lot of work inside to make it as easy as possible, but with a lot of tools to help you actually set up for the future, because this is a new income source unlocked. This is going to be your new passive income if you take this seriously. But what I have inside is a step-by-step process to make things easier, from the idea to creating the app into pushing it to the App Store. Everything is done seamless by just clicking a couple of buttons. I made it for the very newbie. You don't need any code experience. Zero coding requirement in this. All you need to do is talk to the AI. AI will help you at the same time. My steps and strategies and the platforms that I'm using will actually get your app into a working app, selling app, helping people online from your idea, or maybe even a blueprint, or from the prompts that I have. I've got many bonuses under this sales page you can check out. Let me show you inside Meelo App Empire. Once you're inside your Meelo App Empire training, you're going to go through the steps of how you're going to be setting up your first app and pushing it over to the App Store. Now, each training has a video and also guides and also apps that you're going to be using for your training. The platform that you're going to be using and following my training will help you build from idea to the actual App Store. And it will give you all the tools that you need to actually push it over instantly over to the App Store or Google Play. This is not based on theory. This is based on real results that I just started my career with, creating apps for the App Store. And this is the second app that I've created, and I have many more that I'm actually uploading as we speak. Okay, so that's what you're going to be going through. You're going to be going through all the training that I have inside, but it's going to be as easy for anybody to be able to follow the steps that I'm showing you through my videos, through the app software that I have inside, and just the fact that apps that I put online started selling. You're going to learn the exact strategy that I was able to put it online and start making money, getting traffic, and everything else included. This is Meelo App Empire. Meelo means apple in Greek. I played around with the name because I am Greek, and I wanted to make sure that you understand that this is a serious project focusing on the App Store approval process and getting your first app on there, even if you've never coded before. From games to utilities to fitness apps to any kind of app that you want, you can put it online right now using my strategies and training. Thank you so much for being here. Check out the sales page and scroll down below and check out what my offering is to you. Everything on this page is transparent, from real results based on my own results, and plus my better users have been seeing results as well and posting their first app and putting it on the App Store. Now imagine you being able to go to your family and be proud about the fact that you were able to put an app on the App Store that they can download or even purchase, or whatever you want to do with it. It's your business. Other than that, thank you so much for being here. Check out the sales page, and I'll talk to you inside Meelo App Empire.